Wednesday, November 8th, 2023. Cylinder heads from the Ford Raptor. This is the bank one. Standing by for the valve guides and to be resurfaced, and the valve seals and the valve springs. Okay. Let's just wrap the cam adjuster, the camshaft, the bridge with the rocker arms, because I put some assembly oil on it to don't come dusty, just in case. And it's good time to continue excuse me, with the bank 2. That's how it looks like the bank 2. I mean, it's nice when you make comparison bank 2 with bank 1. Let me pause it here and see the bank 1. That looks bad, eh? Or let us say the caps of the bank 1 with the ones from bank 2. Yay! Yeah, in any case, what I have done, I have stripped off the cylinder head, not completely, the rocker arms are still on. I haven't opened yet the cam adjuster. I'm going to. The 2JZ, I pause it until I receive the cylinder head, the new cylinder head, and it's a good chance to move on with the Raptor cylinder head. And when I finish on the cylinder head, I have to continue with the M57. Yay, lovely. And this will go back to my friend. Yep, let's start preparing also this bank. Somebody has to do it, right? And like I said before, at the end of the day, it looks like this one. For you, it might be just like that in a second. For me, it's gonna be a couple of hours. It is what it is. Let's start. Let's continue, not start. First wash of the parts. First wash of the cylinder head. I didn't pay attention so much because it's gonna be for resurface from the exhaust side, from the combustion chamber side here. Okay, okay, you see the combustion chamber. I take care of the combustion chamber. It's nice and shiny, but here the surface I didn't even bother, because how much they will gonna remove from this head, that much they will gonna remove from this head to be equal, to be nice and smooth. All right, and this is the one with the crack. Like I said, this is the one without crack. Fine, okay, looking good, looks decent for a first wash. Need to change also the guides. Same thing also on this one. Now, I haven't finished it, obviously. That's the first wash. I have to pause it now. It's not clean, all right? That's the first pass, and then I have to make it like the cylinder head, like this one, all right? Clearly. Why I'm pausing it? Because 2JZ, second cylinder head. Let's continue here. That's it for now for the Raptor. Later on, continue. What's remaining? To take care of these things, these parts here. Open also the cam adjuster. Do the same thing like the other one. That's a screen. Like this one. This is broken. This is not broken. It is what it is. Thank you. Over and out.